Bonjour, welcome back to French for Middle Schoolers. In this video, we're going to talk about how to make a sentence negative and the different expressions used. First, let's start with the basic form of negation in French. Take the sentence Je regarde la télévision, which means I watch television. To make it negative, we would say I do not watch television. As you know, the keywords that make a sentence negative are do not. Similarly, in French, the keywords that make a sentence negative are ne pas. You put these two words around the verb to make it negative, with the ne going before the verb and the pas going after the verb. In our example sentence, Je regarde la télévision, you can make it negative by saying Je ne regarde pas la télévision. Next, let's move on to more complex expressions. Ne jamais means never, ne pas encore means not yet, ne plus means no longer, ne personne means no one, ne rien means nothing, ne que means only, and ne ni means neither nor. For each of these except ne ni, you have to put the ne before the verb and the actual expression after the verb. Also, keep in mind that ne que is not actually a negative expression since it means only, but it is included here because it follows the same pattern as the negative expressions. So now let's go over example sentences for the first 6 expressions. Elle ne finit jamais ses devoirs. She never finishes her homework. Vous ne travaillez pas encore. You do not work yet. Nous ne promenons plus avec nos amis. We no longer walk with our friends. Je n'entends personne. I hear no one. Tu ne regardes rien sur la télévision. You watch nothing on television. Ils n'aiment que les fraises. They only love strawberries. Finally, let's learn how to use the phrase ne ni. You use this phrase when you have multiple objects in the sentence. You put ne before the verb, and you put each ni before the object. Let's look at a few example sentences to get an idea for how this expression is used. Je n'ai ni les ballons ni les jeux, which means I have neither balls nor games. Je n'ai ni ballons ni jeux, which also means I have neither balls nor games. So what's the difference between the two? You use a definite article like les when you're talking about the object in general. So in the first sentence, you're saying you do not have any balls nor any games. However, in the second sentence, you are saying that you do not have the balls or the games, which refers to specific balls or games. I know these topics are a little difficult to understand at first, and that the negative expressions are not so easy to memorize. But with practice, you will definitely be able to get it. I hope this video helped you understand the various types of negative expressions. Au revoir!